Why aren't you at the library?
They kicked me out.
Anaya!
What? I was just doing my homework peacefully.
If you were just doing your homework, then you wouldn't have been kicked out.
Well, some other stuff happened too.
Like what?
There was this one lady sitting next to me reading a book.
Okay.
Then her phone started ringing and she had a whole conversation about her family getting arrested.
That still don't explain why Anaya Jones got kicked out.
Be patient. Everyone else was getting upset, so I asked her to politely take her phone call outside.
And what did she say to that?
She said, I know a child's not telling me what to do.
She ain't know who she was talking to.
So I said, this child got a name. She asked me what my name was, and I said, your worst nightmare.
Smooth.
Thank you.
So